cannot assimilate with the human body. An herb can because they are electrical.
Meet Dr. Sebi, a name synonymous with natural healing and herbal remedies. This self-proclaimed healer and herbalist dedicates his life to promoting a plant-based diet and the power of specific herbs to address various health concerns.
Your medicine should be your food, or your food should be your medicine.
Today, we'll dive into Dr. Sebi's research on herbs, explore the role of acidic foods in his approach to health, and unpack the connection between cellular health, alkalinity, and achieving optimal well-being. Buckle up, this might challenge your concept of dietary balance.
If Jesus cured with herbs, Hippocrates cured with herbs, and God said the herbs, then what's up? Why aren't we curing with herbs today?
Dr. Sebi dedicated his life to a radical idea that chronic diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and even HIV could be managed or even reversed with the right dietary choices.
You were telling people through your advertising that you can cure
AIDS, sickle cell, lupus, herpes, blindness, diabetes, paralysis, and others.
Dr. Sebi's dietary approach is unique, centered around the idea that mucus and acidity cause disease. This philosophy translates into a strict plant-based diet with specific guidelines for what to eat and avoid. According to Dr. Sebi, acidic foods contribute to an acidic environment within the body, which hinders the body's ability to heal and creates an ideal breeding ground for diseases. He categorized various foods as acidic based on their perceived impact on the body's pH balance.
When you have mucus in the nasal passage, it is sinusitis. When you have mucus in the bronchial tubes, it's bronchitis. When you have mucus in the lungs, it's pneumonia. But now you have mucus where? For you to have Alzheimer's, where is the mucus? So we have to remove the mucus from out of the system, especially the brain.
Some of the main categories of acidic foods, according to Dr. Sebi, included:
you see rice and beans and flour and cheese and meat and the starch that you eat, they all came from right here, from a laboratory.
Animal products, meat, dairy, and eggs were considered highly acidic in his framework. He believed that these foods promoted the production of mucus in the body. Processed foods. Dr. Sebi strongly discouraged the consumption of processed foods, including refined sugars, white flour, and packaged snacks. He argued that these foods were devoid of nutrients and further exacerbated the acidic state. Certain grains. While Dr. Sebi advocates for some whole grains like quinoa, he believed that grains like wheat and corn were acidic and should be avoided. Beverages. Coffee, soda, and alcohol were also considered highly acidic in Dr. Sebi's system. He promoted the consumption of herbal teas and water as alternatives. At the core of Dr. Sebi's approach lies the belief that cellular health is paramount. He argued that disease thrives in acidic environments within the body. This acidity, he claimed, was caused by a buildup of mucus from the consumption of certain foods and the lack of electric foods. His solution: an alkaline electric diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and specific herbs. These foods, he claimed, were not just nutritious, but also electric, meaning they provided the body with a specific electrical charge that aided in detoxification and healing. This electric charge, he believed, helped to neutralize the acidic environment and create an optimal state for cellular health, ultimately leading to the prevention and reversal of disease. Dr. Sebi's electric foods included specific fruits and vegetables like pineapples, mangoes, and avocados, as well as certain herbs like soursop and morena. He advocated for their consumption in their natural forms, emphasizing the importance of avoiding processed foods and refined sugars.
If something is of usefulness in my structure, in my biological structure, it must necessarily be electrical. And the only substance that is electrical are those substances that come from the forest we call the jungle. Because the molecular structure is complete, it's not broken.
Dr. Sebi believed that distilled water, devoid of minerals and other impurities, helped to create an alkaline environment within the body, promoting optimal health and preventing disease. Dr. Sebi championed various herbs like morena, often called the miracle tree, and soursop for their ability to cleanse the body, boost the immune system, and even fight cancer. Moringa leaves, in particular, are a rich source of iron, containing a higher amount than even spinach. This makes it a potentially valuable dietary source of iron, especially for individuals prone to deficiency.
Moringa has 23 times the iron in spinach. Spinach has iron? No, because spinach, let me take my time because there's a whole lot of information. I don't want to jog it up. Anything that has a pH of 7 plus is alkali. Anything that has less, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is acid. Spinach, acid. Why compare moringa with spinach when spinach has a starch base? It has no iron.
However, Dr. Sebi's approach does offer valuable insights. A plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is undeniably good for health. Numerous studies have shown it can help with weight management, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, Dr. Sebi's emphasis on cellular health and the role of alkalinity in disease prevention, while needing further exploration, is an intriguing concept that continues to spark conversation. Dr. Sebi introduces patients suffering from HIV, diabetes, and cancer to the idea of intracellular cleansing. Instead of using chemotherapy and other harsh chemicals, he promotes natural, plant-based remedies that clean the body at a cellular level. Intracellular cleansing involves removing toxins and waste from within the cells, allowing them to function optimally. This process revitalizes the body's natural healing mechanisms, strengthening the immune system and improving overall health. Dr. Sebi highlights the guaco plant as a key component in this approach. He explains that guaco strengthens the immune system due to its high iron content and potassium phosphate. Unlike potassium iodide from the ocean, potassium phosphate is essential for maintaining the body's electrical balance. Guaco is particularly effective in treating asthma and HIV by boosting immunity and supporting the body's natural defenses.
Guaco is a plant that would definitely strengthen the immune system because it is iron again, but it has potassium iodide. No, potassium phosphate, not iodide. Iodide comes from the ocean. Kankansa, that's an African plant. This plant has one of the highest concentrate of what? Potassium phosphate. Those are just few of the plants. We use about 40 some odd plants to cleanse the body, strengthen the immune system, and electrify the system because you want to electrify the body. That's how simple we cure AIDS. We cure AIDS. We don't treat AIDS.
By focusing on intracellular cleansing, Dr. Sebi emphasizes the importance of maintaining a clean and balanced internal environment. This method not only helps in treating diseases, but also prevents them by keeping the body's cells healthy and resilient. This important moment captures Dr. Sebi's groundbreaking vision, challenging traditional methods and offering a new, gentle, and highly effective way of healing. Dr. Sebi's approach highlights the incredible ability of the human body to heal when given the right natural tools, inspiring many to embrace natural remedies in the fight against chronic diseases. Dr. Sebi's approach to natural healing emphasizes the power of plant-based diets and specific herbs to combat chronic diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and HIV through intracellular cleansing, which removes toxins and waste from cells to promote optimal health. He believed that an acid body environment caused by certain foods and mucus buildup hindered healing and advocated for an alkaline electric diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and herbs, such as guaco, soursop, and moringa to neutralize acidity and enhance cellular health. His diet excludes acidic foods like animal products, processed foods, and certain grains, promoting natural, nutrient-rich foods and distilled water instead. While controversial, Dr. Sebi's methods highlight the significant role of dietary choices in maintaining health and inspire many to explore natural remedies and holistic approaches to well-being. Did Dr. Sebi's natural approach to healing resonate with you? Are you ready to explore the power of a plant-based diet and herbal remedies in your own life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't miss out on our next video as we continue to share the path to personal health. Life's better with a healthy buzz.